Welcome to How to Master. In this video, we're going to show you how to utilize the copy trading feature on Bybit. Firstly, before we begin, do keep in mind this is not financial advice, so make sure you carry out some research as trading does carry some form of risk. Alright, so now let's begin. So firstly, click on the More option and simply scroll down until you find copy trading. Once you do, click on it and you'll notice at the top of the screen, it will simply say search traders. So you can do this if you already have some traders in mind, but if you don't, you can always scroll down to find more. So if you're brand new to the platform, you automatically see $100 loss coverage. This simply means of whatever money you deposit, if you lose $100, it will be automatically covered by Bybit. You can also choose to join as a trader, or if you're already a consistently profitable trader, you can join the All Masters traders. So once you scroll down, you'll notice that the traders are grouped up in different categories. So the first one being top traders by ROI. This simply means the traders with the highest return on investment. These are known to be very aggressive traders and do pose more risk, but if that style of trading does fit for you, you can simply scroll through and choose the trader that suits you. And right below that are the top balance traders. So these are traders who are a little bit more conservative on risk, as you'll notice that their ROI is slightly, way lower than the top ROI traders. Of course, a 44% return on investment in 30 days is too highly impressive. So right below that, you'll notice their top new talents. So these are skilled traders who are new to the platform, but still pose very impressive ROI. And right below that, we have the boosted traders. So when you follow these traders and you copy the trades, you instantly get a 10% bonus on top. Then you also see traders with the highest profit for followers. So this simply means these are the traders who make the most for the people who follow them, or for the people who copy their trades. Right below that are the lowest drawdown traders. So these are traders who go through very little drawdown. I would recommend going for these traders if you're new to copy trading, as their risk is more conservative. Then right below we also have top intraday traders. These are traders with more than 20% ROI in 7 days. Alright, so now let's head back and try copying a trader. So let's head over to the lowest drawdown traders. And under this category, you can see the stats for all the traders. So the first one has 132% return on investment in 30 days. Whilst also having 75% return on investment in 90 days. So this could simply mean they lost money in the other months, but overall, their drawdown in 30 days is 18%. And their AUM, which simply means assets under management, is $68,000. This simply means all the funds that are being controlled by the master trader. So you can then go ahead and choose the trader that suits you, and once you do, click on copy, and you'll be directed to their page, where you can see the amount of people who are following them, the amount of trading days they have, and their stability index. Right below that, you can also see the tags that are associated with them, such as top ROI, stable, trading bots, high frequency, low leverage, and moneymaker. Once you scroll down, you'll see their total performance, including the ROI, win rate, and max drawdown. Then at the bottom, you'll be able to see the amount of slots which are still available. If not, you'll have to join the waitlist. So let's head back and look for a trader who still has slots available. Alright, so let's go ahead and try choosing Dapper. So you simply click copy. Alright, so this trader still has 185 slots available. So if you want to copy their trades, simply click on copy. And you'll also notice at the top that it says profit sharing at 10%. So from whatever profit they make, you'll be able to keep 90% while they only keep 10%. And once you're okay with the stats and would like to copy their trades, simply click on copy. So here you'll then be required to invest a minimum of $50 in order to copy their trades. So this is different for every trader, as they will be the ones to set this amount. Once you do enter the amount, you can then choose to copy their actual trades or copy the trades which are executed by trading bots. You can then click on the drop down icon in order to access more settings. And under copy mode, you can then choose the type of approach you'd like to use. So if you're relatively new to copy trading, I would recommend you go for the smart copy mode, meaning you would allow the master trader to control your entire risk portfolio. But if you're already an experienced trader, or you've already been doing copy trading for a long time, you can then go for advanced copy mode. And once you click on margin mode, you can then choose the type of approach you'd like to use. I would recommend you follow the master trader settings, as they might choose a specific approach on margin, which would mean you wouldn't see the desired results if you change up the approach. Next, you can also set the maximum position margin per contract, which simply means the amount of money you're okay with risking per trade. And you can also set the maximum daily position limit. This is the amount of money you're willing to risk in a day, meaning if you're to set it to $500, that would be the limit and the loss wouldn't have to go above that. Once you're done with that, you can also set the stop loss, take profit ratio per order, the max slippage per order, the perpetual copy stop loss, and the perpetual copy guard. And once you're done, simply click copy now and you'll be able to start copying that trades. So that's it for now. I wish you all the best on your copy trading journey, and if you found this video insightful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.